Most people planning to install solar always ask one question: should I go for 24-volt system or 48-volt system? And honestly, this decision can save you money or cost you money if you choose wrongly. Most people install 24-volt system when they should have gone for 48-volt system. Then later they start having problems. Others spend too much money on 48-volt system when a simple 24-volt system would have done the job perfectly. In this video, I will explain the differences in a very simple way, the advantages and disadvantages of both, and which one is better for your home. First, let's start with 24-volt system. 24-volt system means that the inverter is designed to run on 24 volts battery input. Most times, this is achieved by connecting two 12-volt batteries in series or using 24 volts lithium battery. Now, 24-volt system is mostly suitable for smaller setups and moderate power demands. For example, if your house uses TVs, lights, fan, decoder, router, laptop and small fridge, a properly designed 24-volt system will work very fine. And let me be clear, 24-volt system is not bad. A lot of people think that 24-volt system is weak or outdated, but that's not true. The problem comes when people overload the system. Now let's talk about 48-volt system. 48-volt system means that the inverter runs on 48 volts battery input. This is mostly achieved by connecting four 12-volt batteries in series or using 48 volts lithium battery. If your house uses heavy appliances like air conditioner, water pumping machine, deep freezers, multiple refrigerators and bigger household loads, then 48-volt system begins to make much more sense. Now here is the most important part. The major difference between a 24-volt system and a 48-volt system is current. Let me explain. When powering heavy loads, 24-volt system pulls more current from the battery, but 48-volt system pulls less current for the same amount of power. Let's say for example that you have a 5 kilowatt inverter with a 24 volts nominal battery input. At full capacity, the inverter draws around 200 amps of current from the battery. But a different 5 kilowatt inverter with a nominal battery voltage of 48 volts will draw around 100 amps, which is half of that of a 24 volts. And why does this matter? This matters because lower current means less stress on the batteries, less heat on cables, higher efficiency and better performance under heavy load. So when should you go for 24-volt system? 24-volt system is good if you have smaller budget, your load is not heavy, you power basic appliances, and you don't plan to expand the system much in the future. Now 48-volt system becomes better if you want to run ACs, deep freezers, water pumping machines and so on, if you expect higher electricity demand, and if you want better long-term expansion. Another advantage of 48-volt system is that it is future-proof. Today you might need to power only your lights and TV. Tomorrow you might add ACs or deep freezer. With a good 48-volt system setup, expansion is usually easier. So which one is better? The answer is very simple. If your power demand is more or moderate, then a 24-volt system will work perfectly fine. But if you want more serious setups, heavy appliances and long-term flexibility, 48-volt system is usually the better choice. There is no one-size-fits-all answer. The best system depends on your load, budget and future plans. Don't just buy what someone recommends. Understand your energy needs first. Now I want to hear from you. Do you plan to install a 24-volt system or a 48-volt system? And what appliances do you plan to power? Drop it on the comment section. If you find this video helpful, subscribe because I will be making more practical solar videos that will help you avoid expensive mistakes. See you in the next video.